हुआ कि 31st को था मेरा फेयरवेल। मेक इट मोर प्रोडक्टिव। स्टडी टेबल है यहाँ पे, थोड़ा बहुत साफ आपको। आई हैव अराउंड 22 चैप्टर्स। डोंट वरी, इस टाइम पे जो मैं बकबक कर रही हूँ वो credits of messing it more. Hi, I'm Miriam and this is me at 9 in the morning. और अगर आपने मेरी लास्ट वीडियोस देखी है तो आपको पता ही होगा कि 31st को था मेरा फेयरवेल, और फेयरवेल के चक्कर मैंने पूरा जनवरी कुछ नहीं किया. So I'm finally here to reset my routine and make it more productive because I have my annuals in just a week. So it's around 9:25 right now and I'm done with my brush and all and done with my morning tea. Now I'm going to clean the area because बहुत गंद मचा हुआ है. रुको मैं दिखाती हूँ. ये मेरा स्टडी टेबल है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत साफ आपको इसलिए दिख रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ सुबह मम्मी ये कैस्ट्रोल रख के गई थी प्लेट के ऊपर, तो प्लेट मैंने हटा दिया. कैस्ट्रोल यहाँ पर रखा हुआ है. फिर यहाँ पे मेरे कपड़े रखे हुए हैं और यहाँ पे बुक्स का बहुत ही गंदा ढेर बना हुआ है. वो भी एरिया बहुत मेस्ड अप है. ये भी the plan is to clean this. तो yeah, चलो let's clean. So guys, I am finally done with the cleaning. थोड़ा बहुत cleaning. Now the plan is to start with English because my first exam is of English. So I'm starting with this and I have around 22 chapters coming in literature. Yeah, that's 5 poems, 5 stories and 11 scenes in total from Shakespeare. So we have to start. I'm starting with the stories. Yes, stories. It's been an hour of me studying and I'm done with one chapter of English literature, which is Thank You Ma'am. Yeah, it literally took me an hour. So yeah, now the plan is to continue with the studies and with a different subject, that is डोंट वरी. इस टाइम पे जो मैं बकबक कर रही हूँ वो आगे जाके ट्राई करने का सोचा तो था, लेकिन भूख लग गई गाइस. अब मैं खाना खा रही हूँ. Chapter of economics and I'm done with one subpart. I am still left with 2 of the subparts. No, three of the subparts. I'm done with one and it's already 1:15. So the plan is to take a break and watch TV. I'm going in that room because it's a mess over here and I don't want to take the credits of messing it more. I'm going in that room.
Well, the custom lab in the sub-basement extracted the first DNA from Amber right beneath her feet.
Goodness. What they did here was a miracle. I still believe that.
So do I, Mother. So do I. And I still believe it matters what happens to those animals.
When I say I have addiction from TV. I started my movie around 1:30 and it's 3 in the afternoon. Yay. Now I'll get back to studying. It's 4 p.m. right now and I'm done with the chapter. Now I'm going to have my food, that is lunch. It's done with the lunch and घर का छोटा मोटा काम. Now I'm going for a nap, and when I say nap I mean nap.